Matt Brown here, and today I'm going to show you how to generate a value from a set within a model variable. For today's example, we're going to be focusing on a town that needs no intro, Philadelphia. Now, I moved to Philly back in 2008, so I've had some time to learn the ropes. Like to say "yous guys" instead of "y'all, or the importance of a balanced diet of cheesesteaks and water ice, or how to spell the name of the city's football team. However, I just cannot decide which mascot is my favorite, so I'm going to let AI do the work for me. Here, I have a very simple model including a state where the mascot selection will be generated. Inside this state, I'm going to create a new variable and call it favorite mascot, and then select set from the type dropdown. Remember, I want this choose action to generate the value, so let's set it to non-generated for now, then right-click the variable and select Edit Variable Details. Inside the Details modal, we'll create a new value group for each mascot. Now, I have to admit, I lied to you earlier. I secretly do have a favorite mascot. His name starts with a grr and rhymes with itty. So I'm going to put my thumb on the scale and emphasize his weight a little bit. Who am I kidding? That hockey sweater ain't hiding anything. Let's emphasize his weight a lot. Alright, the last thing we need to do is configure our action to generate a value. I've added sequent connections from our choose action to more easily visualize which mascot was selected. So all that's left to do is run our model and check out the results. As if there was any other choice. As always, thanks for tuning in. Be well. Eggplant, Eggplant.